Welcome students, we are learning similarity. In similarity, we have learned ratios of areas of two triangle, basic proportionality theorem, converse of BPT and property of angle bisector of a triangle. Today we are going to learn property of three parallel line and its transversal. So, let's start. Please like and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon to get my new videos. Welcome students. Today we are going to learn property of three parallel lines and its transversal. First of all, we will go through the theorem part. What is the statement of a theorem? The ratio of intercepts made on transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Now we will try to understand that statements with the help of given figure. Here is a figure. First of all, try to understand the figure. What is given? There are three parallel lines. Which lines are parallel? Line L, line M and line N. These lines are parallel and transversal T1 and transversal T2. These are intersecting line L, line M and line N in point A, B, C, and T2 intersecting in point P, Q and R. Now, what is the property? Property is ratio of intercepts made on transversal. Intercepts means segment AB is an intercept made by transversal T1 and segment BC is also a intercept made by transversal T1 sorry. T2 made two intercepts, intercept PQ and intercept QR, and we have to go through the property. Properties: if you have taken ratio of that intercept AB with intercept BC, then this ratio are equal to the ratio of intercept PQ and intercept QR. That is what we have to prove through that theorem. So you know that in theorem, first of all, we are going through the given part. Now what is given at here? We have given that line L, line M and line N are parallel. So write line L parallel to line M parallel to line N, and we have given T1 and T2 are two transversals. So T1 and T2 are transversals. Now you also can write T1 is intersecting line L, M and N in point A, B, C, and T2 is intersecting to line L, M and N in point P, Q, R. But I am writing this part in short, what is necessary, and that is I have written at here. Second part is to prove. Second part is to prove. What we have to prove at here? For that, first once again we will go through the statement of a theorem. What is given? Ratio of intercepts made on transversal by three parallel line is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercepts made on other transversal by the same parallel lines. That means here segment AB is an intercept and segment BC is an intercept. Segment AB and segment BC is an intercepts made by transversal T1. So first of all I am taking ratios of these two. So AB upon BC. What is given? It is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercepts made on other transversal. So other transversal is T2 and intercept made on T2 are PQ and QR, and we have to take ratios correspondingly. So we write in this way, PQ upon QR. Dear students, you know that ratio means comparison by division, and what is given in the statement? We are given these two ratios are equal. So we have to prove AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. How can we prove? For that we have to make a construction at here. What construction we have to made here at here? Now look students, as you know that this is nothing but application of basic proportionality theorem. And what is basic proportionality theorem? Basic proportionality theorem is, in a triangle, suppose there is a line parallel to a side of a triangle and intersecting remaining two sides in two distinct points, then it intersect them proportionally. So if we have to apply this at here, that means in that figure we have to make two triangles at here, and for that what we have done, we have joined PC, you can say CP or PC. So construction is join segment PC. By joining segment PC, we got two triangles at here. First triangle is ACP and second triangle is PCR, and in both triangle there is a segment parallel to one side of a triangle. So we can apply basic proportionality theorem, and with the help of this we have to derive or we have to prove property of three parallel lines and its transversal. So now starts proof. Now students, if you observe that figure, you notice that there is a triangle ACP in which there is segment BD is a part of line M, which is parallel to segment AP, which is a part of line L, and we have given that line L is parallel to line M. So we can say that segment BD is parallel to side AP. If we write in this way, so we can apply basic proportionality theorem in triangle ACP. So I am writing at here, in triangle ACP, segment BD is parallel to segment AP. Why I write this? Because of this is given. We have given that line L is parallel to line M, and we know that if there is a triangle in which line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then so by basic proportionality theorem, that means I have written, so by BPT you can write that AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. Why I write this? Because we have given in BPT theorem that if line is parallel to the remaining to the one side of a triangle, then and that line intersecting remaining two sides in two distinct points. That means that segment BD is intersecting side AC and side PC in point B and in point D respectively. So we can say that that line intersect them proportionally. That means the ratios of intercepts are equal. I have written at here. So we can write AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC and denote that expression as number 1. Now remaining part of proof I am writing at here. Now next triangle, take next triangle. It is triangle PCR. There is also segment DQ, which is a part of line M, is parallel to segment CR, which is a part of line L. It is given. So we can apply BPT theorem. So I am writing in triangle PCR, segment DQ is parallel to segment CR. It is given. So if there is a line parallel to one side of a triangle, so we can use theorem BPT, and by applying BPT theorem we got PD upon DC. That means that intercept upon second intercept is equal to PQ upon QR. We denote that expression as a expression number 2. Now as applying BPT theorem, we know that if there is a line parallel to one side of a triangle and intersecting remaining two sides in two distinct points, then it intersect them proportionally. That means if we have taken ratio of PD upon ratio of DC is equal to ratio of PQ upon QR, that is what I have written here. Now observe statement 1 and statement 2. What is in statement 1? AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC, and here PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. That means here PD upon DC and here is also PD upon DC, and if this ratio is equal to PD upon DC and this ratio is equal to PD upon DC, then we can say that what we can say, AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR, and that is what we have to prove.